In order for integrative care to be successful, there must be a patient-centred approach where medical and natural care professionals come together to seek the best outcome for patients. Northwestern Health Sciences University is leading the way in developing partnerships to provide more complete care for patients utilising a wide spectrum of healthcare resources.
Pulse is in normal range.
A therapeutic relationship between a patient and practitioner embodies the essence of integrative care, a movement that's penetrating healthcare and often is patient-led.
One of the problems with contemporary healthcare is that patients see a provider, and then they go to another provider, and then they go to another one, and so their care is disjointed.
So with fatty liver...
At Northwestern Health Sciences University, healthcare incorporates traditional medicine and integrative care with a person-centered focus, using evidence-based models to coordinate care across professionals.
When you have a person-centered approach to care, the person is a part of the healthcare team. And when you have multiple people on the healthcare team, it takes some of the responsibility away from each individual because everybody is there to educate everybody else and help make the best possible recommendation for that patient.
Northwestern Health Sciences University educates in advanced health care, including acupuncture, massage therapy, and chiropractic.
Consumers are driving markets all over the place in the sense of different industries. The reality is we have not done that with healthcare. We haven't put the person in the center of this conversation. It's always been the provider.
The biggest challenges and barriers to integrative care are financial. Patients don't necessarily have the out-of-pocket resources to select the types of care that would be most efficient and effective for them. So we really need to overhaul our healthcare system from a financial standpoint, from a reimbursement standpoint, and from the incentive standpoint for the providers.
Northwestern Health Sciences University is playing a vital role in creating solutions for the future of healthcare. They're educating students to build bridges and foster relationships among healthcare professionals in order to provide patients with a wide range of care options. This team care approach aims to improve the patient experience, delivering the right care at the right time and achieve better outcomes.
We have partnerships with numerous hospitals, clinics, and social service agencies in the Twin Cities that give our students experience not only practicing as members of a healthcare team, but also gives them exposure to a wide variety of patients and different conditions that those patients present with.
If you're a hospital that hasn't really already begun to embed this in your care system, you're way behind. And the concept of cross-training and people being able to not only perhaps be trained in different modalities, but be able to speak to them and be able to understand them and be able to work inside both a Western medical system and other health systems is very important.
Over a decade ago, a partnership formed between Northwestern Health Sciences and the University of Minnesota Masonic Children's Hospital. The supervisors and students treat patients and collaborate with staff to utilize a spectrum of healthcare resources. A great example, Bella. After a liver transplant, she's receiving ongoing treatment while continuing to combat cancer. She and her family receive various types of integrative care. But the evolution of integrative healthcare continues to create better overall outcomes for patients and increases preventative care.
Overcoming the barriers to scaling integration is going to take a dedicated effort on behalf of healthcare policymakers, the third-party payers, the insurance companies, providers, and patient advocacy groups coming together and really deciding they want to prioritize public health over profit.
Working to overcome barriers and create a positive shift in the culture of healthcare, Northwestern Health Sciences University is leading the way in the future success of integrative care. When siloed care models are replaced with collaboration, providers are better able to deliver effective, personalized care for each patient. In Bloomington, Minnesota, I'm Kristen Getzy.